You know that feeling when you're part of a team and everything just clicks? Well, that's what we're going to dive into today. The journey to that one defining moment where everything you've done leads you to what you're going to do next.
Seriously, every team has one. That one critical moment when you suddenly realize what you're doing isn't just a project or a task. It's something way more. So, to really get why this moment is such a big deal, we've got to rewind a bit. We have to look back at the road you've already traveled together.
I mean, really think about it. The path you all started on, it was never just a to-do list, was it? No, it was a real journey. You know, the kind paved with late nights, some really tough calls, and all those tiny wins that might have seemed small at the time, but looking back, they were everything.
And let's be honest here, right from the get-go, nothing was guaranteed. Not a thing. There was no roadmap laid out for you. Uncertainty wasn't just a possibility, it was practically baked into the plan from day one.
But even when the outcome was a total question mark, one thing was always crystal clear: your spirit. That refusal to quit, that incredible ability to get knocked down and just get right back up. That was the constant, the one thing you could always count on. And just remember, every single bit of progress you made, you earned it. It wasn't handed to you. Every little victory had your team's fingerprint on it. Every wall you broke through was a testament to your persistence. And every single step forward, that was all you. Pure, genuine effort. Okay, so all of that history, all of that grit, it all leads right here to this moment, to the brand new challenge that's staring you right in the face. And look, I get it. This stage you're on right now, it's tough, no doubt about it. But, and this is so important, it is not harder than what you've already conquered. The mountains you've already climbed were huge. You've seen this kind of challenge before. It just had a different name. So what you need right now isn't some miracle. It's not magic. It's something you already have. It's a memory of who you are as a team, what you've already been through, and the incredible strength you've always had. And what does that memory bring up? It reminds you of the definition of a truly great team, right? It's not about size, it's not about resources. A great team is measured by its unity, by that bulletproof self-belief, and by the faith each person has that what they're doing actually matters. All right, so with that memory locked in as our foundation, the big question is, where do we go from here? Let's talk about that next step. Because this is it. This is the moment. This is absolutely not the time to hesitate or second-guess yourselves. No, now is the time to dig deep, find that strength, and just move forward. And the path forward? It's actually pretty straightforward. Number 1, work with confidence. You've earned it. You know your stuff. Number 2, move with passion. Remember why you started this. And number 3, face these challenges with a winning spirit. See them as a chance to prove yourselves all over again. And this all points to a really crucial shift in mindset. You know how easy it is to get stuck chasing perfection? Well, we've got to let that go. The goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Just one small step forward. That's it. That's how real momentum gets built. Which leads right into this next point. Stop waiting for the perfect time or the ideal conditions. They're a myth. They're never coming. Your real power, it's in creating the conditions you need, right here, right now, with exactly what you have. And that brings us to one last thought, and honestly, it might be the most important one. Why continue? Simple. Continue because you can. You've got the skills. You've got the experience. You've got the strength. That is not even a question. Continue because what you started, it matters. It has real meaning, and it deserves to be finished. What you've all built together is just too valuable to walk away from now. And last but not least, continue because success has a funny way of rewarding the people who just don't give up. It finds the ones who hold on, right up until that very last moment. So look, think of all this as just a reminder. I'm not telling you anything you don't already know deep down. You are so much stronger than you give yourself credit for, and you're on the right path. Which leaves us with one last question to think about. When you consider the entire journey, everything you've done, everything still to come, what's the single most important step you will ever take? The next one. The most important step is always the next one. Now go take it.